What is up, guys? I am here in a parking garage for an apartment complex for Chase, and we just spent the last 10-15 minutes or so looking for a power outlet. There was zero on his floor, so he's currently up 1 or 2 floors above, or no, below in the parking structure. Gonna go get an extension cord first off. Second off, he's gonna come back, and we found this little cubby here. So this is just kind of in a handicap-ish section of this parking structure, and we're gonna do this install right here, because where else do we have? So I called a buddy of mine that owns a shop here in LA, but it's Saturday and I think he's closed, he's not there. So obviously I've done these things in worse places, so we're gonna go ahead and get this one done here as soon as he comes back. The power cord, as well as the vehicle. So I'm like walking around here looking for a trash can or like a dumpster or something like that, and I came across an interesting find. Apparently, Thor lives here. Thor's hammer is just chilling. Apparently, I'm worthy, because there's the hammer. You never know what you're gonna find when you do these installs in parking structures. This building is relatively new in comparison to a lot of the parking structures that I've done these in Chicago or New York area. But yeah, so Thor's hammer. Just waiting for Chase to come back with the car. Pretty important part that I need for this whole job is the actual car, so. But the good part is that it's my unicorn, the Rapid Blue C8. So this is gonna be my first Rapid Blue C8. I've been wanting to do a Rapid Blue C8 like from the beginning because that's my favorite color of this car, and I have yet to have the ability to put doors on a Rapid Blue C8. I've seen all the other ones that have been done, how janky they look because you can see the wires going from the door in the car. It's so sad to think that people think that this is easy and that anyone can do this, even people that have been doing this and that that have a better idea of how to do this still mess it up. They don't make their own wires. And that's something that Eikon Motorsports does exclusively for themselves, is manufacture wiring harnesses so we can extend the wires to make sure that they're no longer visible. So this is why you want Eikon Motorsports to do your car. If you want it to look professional, if you want it to look OEM, if you want it to look as factory as possible, you choose Eikon Motorsports, because we actually go above and beyond to make sure that that's the end result that we get, is factory looking wires. Okay, parking structures, for those of you who have them or live in them, explain this to me because I'm confused. Let's say, for example, someone in spot 14, right, comes home, parks their car, and they'll say shortly after that, the dude or woman in spot 15 wants to come home. How the hell did they get there? Because that is a brick wall. Is this like for people who have 2 cars and they have to like reserve these spots so they can park in a line? Like, if you guys know, put in the comments, because I'm really confused as to how that makes any logical sense, to put 2 complete strangers in a line in a parking structure and expect them to be able to park or leave when they want to. What's with the plates?
Yeah, call the car Jack Frost because it's blue, so it's got to be ice cold. I got Texas plates, but welcome to Los Angeles.
So unfortunately, Chase is actually going to be going to work, so he's not going to have time to stay with me, during this whole installation, which I enjoy when customers actually can watch, because they can ask questions, they can see the process from start to finish, full transparency. That, I'm not going to do anything to their cars that I say that I'm not going to. So it kind of does suck for sure that he's going to miss this installation process for sure. However, he'll have a video to kind of reference to, and he knows who we are, he knows our stuff, he knows we know what we're doing. So I actually have a flight to catch. My flight leaves in about 6 hours, so technically only have about 4.5 hours from this current position, which is brand new, completely not even touched yet. So I don't have much time, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this right now, go through it as thoroughly as I possibly can, and try to make it to the airport for my flight. front ends from the part, and now we can start getting some modifications that need to be done behind the scenes underneath the fender, which is just that one little tab. We gotta bend back a couple different things, and then yeah, and we'll start getting these doors to go up. That is a perfect get. All right, we got one side up in the air, done. It came out beautiful. I'm so excited that we finally got our new parts, our new cap covers, or I'm sorry, our new wire covers. We make these things in-house. We have like 4K quality 3D printers. They were really expensive, but at the end of the day, it's worth it because it looks amazing. The caps now that cover the wire, and I'll show you here in a second here what that looks like. Let me get a flashlight real quick because it's pretty dark here in this parking garage slash dungeon here. So get my flashlight, and on this cap, you see right here, it's got the installer, so who installed it, and it's also got your your warranty number. Some of you guys might not know that when Eikon Motorsports does your installation, we give you a lifetime warranty, not only on the kit itself, but also on the installation. So if there's ever any issues, we come back out to you, we address it, we fix it. It's really worry-free, problem-free. So this, in a sense, tag on this cover has all that information on it. And the warranties stay with the vehicle, so they don't stay with you as the person who purchased it, but if and when you ever do get rid of your vehicle, the new owner contact us so we can update our system, so we can say, hey, this car is now theirs. So when they call back and say, hey, I got some issues, if they call back and they have issues, we know who they are and get all their address and all that information hooked up. So now that one side's done, same thing. Got to repeat that process on the other side, which is the driver's side on this car right now. So the next time you see this vehicle, it's gonna be finished. So there's no point to show you that side. It's literally a mirrored image of the last, few minutes that you saw sped up. So I'm not gonna torture you with that. If anything special happens, I'll definitely show you. But next time you see me in this vehicle, this beautiful, beautiful Rapid Blue, it'll be finished. Okay, I almost forgot to mention today's sponsor for this video is Naval. I vape. I struggled with smoking for many, many years, a long, long time ago. I haven't touched a cigarette for probably, I don't know, 10, 11, 12 years, give or take. But once I found this brand, I couldn't vape anything else. I'm not being paid for anything. They sent me some juice for sure, but they are amazing. If you don't like that sugary, over powerful, punch you in the face with sugar and crazy, insane, like artificial flavor, Naval is amazing. They're from Norway. There's no sugar added, no artificial sweetener added at all. They're an organic juice company. Pretty affordable. It's 100 ml bottles. I think they're give or take like 19 bucks a bottle or something like that. NavalVape.com is their website. Check them out. They've got like 15 or so different flavors. This is my favorite, the Yord Bear Float. It's like a strawberries and cream flavor, but the most accurate strawberry I've ever had. I used to vape their vanilla custard one, their orange Tic Tac one. I don't know, but the orange Tic Tac one is like a legitimate orange Tic Tac. For me, I'm not a fruity flavor person, but it's like spot on with orange Tic Tac. So if you like fruits, if you like orange Tic Tac is amazing from them. But check them out, guys, NavalVape.com. Tell them I sent you. There may be a discount, I don't know. They didn't really say much, but yeah, check them out, NavalVape.com. All right, it was perfect timing. Chase came back right as I was literally done. I was packing up my tools and done. Chase, what do you think? Now that you've actually been able to see it, what do you think?
No, it really is the McLaren Lambo love child. It's sick. If you've been thinking about it, do it. Hit these guys up. I know I got a couple people in Texas that have been asking me, so I mean, we're in Cali.
Body lines came out great, guys. Well, we are out in the daylight, out of the dungeon, and here you go. Look at that beautiful thing. What do you think now that you can see it out in the daylight?
Unreal. Supercar.
Supercar.
It is now. Supercar.
Supercar. Oh, it's for sure supercar. Dan, where's my Sonic bag? Are we still working on the Sonic? Look at that. Rocking the Husky and the C8, man. Come on, hook me up. Huh? Want to trade?
Hour and a half. I give you my word. I will be back. How are you, young man?
Good, how are you guys?
Oh, man, you're doing better than good, dude. Yeah. What year is this?
2020.
2020. All right. You're not leasing this, are you? Hell no. You don't look like a man that's gonna eat.
Go anywhere. All right, guys. Until next time, you know what to do. EikonMotorsports.com. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Really appreciate it, man. Have a good one, guys. Peace out.